if you're a big kid at heart, you need a travel setup that matches that. Studio 5's Chelsea Fairborn, she toured a new toy hauler trailer at Parris RV that has all your fun and functional needs in one. Let's take a look.
If you're itching to pack up the toys and head to the dunes or head to the mountains, you need a trailer that can back you up. Brett Parris with Parris RV is here with me with a toy hauler that can do just that.
You know, you gotta love toy haulers. You know, in Parris RV, we specialize in toy haulers. We have 14 brands of toy haulers, and this particular one is a 2020 Sandsport by Pacific Coachworks, and the model's called a 2414. So basically what that means is you've got a 24-foot box with the tongue and everything. You're 30 feet going down the road, and then it's got 14 feet of cargo, which is just perfect for those large, you know, UTVs that we all like to ride. So like a Razor or a a Maverick X3 or something, they can fit in this thing. It's got 75 inches in the center there, so you just open up the back and bring your ramp down like that.
Easy enough.
Yep, super cool. And then you just hit a button, and that top bed will go up. You take your bottom bed and you flip it up against the wall, and then you take these chairs and just move them forward because they're freestanding. And then you just drive your toys up on inside. Maybe you've got four-wheelers, and then the other thing that toy haulers aren't always about machines. You think about this. You head up to these nice mountain lakes we've got. What about kayaks? What about a paddleboard? What about your monster barbecuer that you pull out at the tailgating games?
Plenty of toys. Plenty
of toys. If you need to haul cargo, haul your family, haul your stuff, Sandsport's the way to go.
And the inside is designed to accommodate that. So what are some of the other features that this trailer has to offer?
So it's got 100 gallons of water, because you head out in the desert, you're going to need water.
You could hang out there for a while.
Going to need water, so it's got 100 gallons of water. It's got a 20-gallon fuel pumping station on the back side over here.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about carrying gas cans. You take your toys out, you put them up the back side. You've got a gas pump that pulls out of your trailer to fill your toys up. Super cool. And then you've got heated tanks, so if you head out in the cold weather, you've got heated tanks in this particular one. And then the other thing that's really nice is it's got a 4,000 Onan Cummins onboard generator that's pre-plumbed to your fuel station and pre-plumbed to electricity. So again, you just hit that button, generator starts up. You've got air conditioning on the desert. You've got that TV that you pull the string and it flips down out of the roof. Great big TV, so you can kick back in these chairs, watch TV, see you on Studio 5. Right?
You can be completely self-sufficient out in the desert, wherever you are. What are some of the other details that really set this apart from other types of trailers?
Well, it's got a fiberglass exterior, which I really like. A lot of them are aluminum skin. The nice thing about fiberglass is, a hailstorm comes by, kid throws a rock at it, doesn't even matter.
Right.
Got a real heavy-duty exterior. You've got a nice island queen bed in the front, which a lot of toy haulers don't have. They've got side sleepers or front sleepers. This has got a full island bed in a private bedroom, which is nice for mom and dad. That Happy Jack electric bed in the back, again, you hit that button, you've got a queen bed right here.
So total, we're looking at about six,
because you've got this little sofa on the side that'll make down for a third bed. It's a smaller bed.
Okay.
Maybe kids or something on that. And then the other thing about toy haulers, because they've got a big open space, maybe you throw down an air mattress and you've got more sleeping. So
there you go.
You take take the cousins, take the neighbor kids,
all the people,
take everybody in this thing. And then it's got a real nice kitchen, full-size fridge, everything you need to go out and take your family out in style.
Okay, if people want to learn more, come and see this for themselves, where should they go for more information?
Parris RV has two great locations in the center of Salt Lake County, in Murray on State Street. This particular one's at our South Murray location, which is 5545 South State, or just shop online at parrisrv.com.
Okay, thanks, Brett.
Thank you.
Back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Chelsea and Brett.